In today's video, I'm going to be walking you through step-by-step how to find a high-quality book cover designer for your self-published book on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. What is going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Dane, and on this channel I talk all about self-publishing books on Amazon, on entrepreneurship, and just lifestyle in general. So if that kind of thing interests you, make sure you subscribe, drop a like on the video, and hit the notification bell so you know when I post new videos. In today's video, I'm going over a highly requested and very popular topic, which is how to find a high quality book cover designer on a budget for your self-published books. All right. And you can spend thousands and thousands of dollars on book cover designs. And a lot of people think that is the only way to do it. But in today's video, I'm going to be showing you probably the best and cheapest, most efficient way, but also high quality way to hire a book cover designer for your self-published book that you'll be publishing on, whether it be Amazon or any other platform, Ingram Spark, any other platform online. If you're self-publishing your books, this is probably the best way to get your first cover design, especially if you're someone who's brand new to this, is on a budget, not looking to spend thousands of dollars on hiring a cover designer to make you a cover for your first published book. Okay, so first things first, I want to mention there are a couple of ways to do this. Personally, for me, I utilize two websites usually. There's one called Upwork.com and there's also one called Fiverr.com. All right, and these two websites are the two main places that I work with designers to make book cover designs, format my books, edit my books. For one site, Upwork.com, it's a lot more hands-on. So if you're someone who's brand new to this kind of thing, you're not sure about how to hire people or do it properly, Fiverr is a lot more user-friendly in the beginning. Upwork is a little bit more advanced, and it's one that I usually go to because I've used it a few times. I've hired a lot of people through that website. So I hire people like editors, formatters, and even cover designers through Upwork.com. It's a good place to build a relationship with someone who you want to work with long term. But if you're just trying to test the waters right now and you're looking to get started with hiring someone, hiring a book cover designer through Fiverr.com is probably your best place to start because it's super easy. You can look up a book cover designer on their website, click on the designs that you like, and hire someone. But there are a few things during that process that I want to walk you through today to look out for to make sure you're getting the right cover designer who's going to make the best quality cover design for your self-published books. I know how important it is to have the right cover design and just have the first published book that you make be perfect. Okay, so there is a way to do it very easily through Fiverr.com, and usually it's going to cost you less than $20, $15. Maximum, probably that much money to get a high quality cover made. You can go the Upwork route, and I could make a video on it in the future, but there is a lot more steps involved because you have to post a job listing, sift through people, and pick the right person. Whereas on Fiverr, you can just click one, select it, hire them, and they'll make the cover for you. So let's jump into my computer. I'm going to walk you through how to find the right designer through Fiverr.com. So here we are on Fiverr.com. You can see this is the home page. Make sure you make an account and you'll see this page. Next up, it is Fiverr.com with two R's on the end. I'll link it in the description down below this video if you can't find it for whatever reason. So it's Fiverr.com. Let's talk about finding a book cover designer for your books. So the first thing you want to do is go to the search bar up here, and I'm going to type in book cover design and click search. And it's going to bring me to this page right here. So once you land on this page after typing in book cover design or book cover designer, whatever you want to do, there's a couple things that I want to mention to you if you're on a budget and you're looking to find someone who's high quality, because some of these will be expensive. You can see this one right here is around 500 bucks. This one's 70, so it's not too bad. 50, this one's 20. So you can see there's different things, different price ranges for different designers. Also very cheap options like $10, but it can be very overwhelming if you're just landing on this page and you're scrolling for hours and hours trying to find the right book cover designer. So here's what I suggest you do in the beginning when you're getting a book cover designed. So first thing you're gonna do is go to budget here. And if you're not looking to spend anything over $25, I do highly recommend clicking that or just typing in here 25. I'll click apply, and that's going to bring me to this page right here. So now you have everything filtered through that's not going to be over $25. The next thing I suggest is scrolling through for a little bit and just seeing which covers kind of stand out to you on the first page, but also at the same time making sure they do have a high average review, which is right down in this area here. You can see 4.8, 4.9, 5.0, 4.9, and also make sure they have a good amount of reviews, maybe over 100 reviews. I would suggest around 100 or more, just so you know that there's been lots of people who have gone through them before and they have a high rating. You can see this one is 151 reviews, 5-star rating, 4.9, 1,000 ratings. So this one's obviously a very seasoned seller. This one may be a little bit newer, but getting very good reviews. And as you're going through, you can kind of heart them here, the gigs you love, just so you can go back and kind of go back to them. after you've gone through all of them. So once you've done that and you've chosen someone that you like, I'm going to go ahead and click into this one, 5.0, 150 reviews starting at $20. Let's click into this one. You're gonna land on their page here. Okay, so you can see once you land on their page, there's a little screen here where you can kind of scroll through, look at other covers they've designed, and just kind of verify that you like this designer, what they've done in the past. And scrolling through this person, I do actually quite like what I'm seeing. The designs are actually very original. They stand out. Like this one's yellow with the black and white. It looks very clean. I do actually like this designer designs. I might even try him out in the future. You can also see on the right here, there's also going to be packages. If you're just ordering a cover for your ebook, just testing it out, I do recommend ordering a couple of these so you can kind of compare them and pick the best one for you. Usually you just start with basic, and that's going to get you the high quality ebook cover design. And I'll talk about paperback covers in a little bit here. I want to talk about ebook first. So ebook is just going to be the flat 2D design that you use on KDP. Okay, and you're going to see down below here the delivery time. So make sure it's not too long. Unlimited revisions is a great one to look for as well, because if you get the original order back from the person, you want a couple things changed, you can always ask them for a revision until you're happy with it. And just make sure you're going to get the source file and one design concept. That's all you really need. If we're talking about paperback, you're going to want this kind of stuff, back spine, and that's pretty much just the back and spine. I'll talk about that in a second. So once you're happy with the kinds of packages they have, the last thing I want to do is look at the reviews and just make sure that they're real reviews and they're real people with real actual covers. So scrolling down here, you can see we have a lot of people from the US, which is great. I heard the seller, you can see it's a positive review, 5.0. And he actually responds to a lot of them too. So it shows that he's a great reputable seller that people like working with. So honestly, he's checking all of my boxes right now. The covers are looking great. And I actually do quite enjoy what he's presenting to me. One other quick thing I forgot to mention while I was editing this, I realized I didn't mention another thing to look at is just the orders in queue. Okay, because depending on how many orders they have in queue, it means how much work they're doing at the current moment. So if this person had like 50 orders in queue, I probably wouldn't go with him because he's too busy. He doesn't have enough time to put enough focus into your cover. So just make sure this number isn't over like 5. Like 2 is totally fine. 5 is probably the max that I would say that you want orders in queue, or else they're not going to put enough time into your cover. So just want to mention that. Notice I didn't say it in the original filming. So back to the video. So the next thing after that you do is click continue and purchase the gig. Once you're going through the gig, once you're in the back end, all that they're going to ask you, you need to have this specific information. So do remember this. You're going to need your title, a subtitle, an author name, and you're going to have a couple of pictures, maybe from Pexels.com. I'll link these down below, Pixabay.com, for the designer to use on your cover and kind of use as inspiration. Or you can say, hey, I just want to give you free will to design whatever you want. You can tell them maybe a couple of colors you want them to use, maybe some font ideas, the style, you want minimalist, you want it to be pop out at you, very busy. You can tell the designer to do that kind of stuff and they'll do that kind of thing for you. But the main thing you need to have is your title, your subtitle, and your author name. So that is pretty much it when it comes to hiring a cover designer through Fiverr. It's a very simple process. And once you submit the order with all that information I just mentioned, usually wait a couple of days. The designer will message you back. They'll send you the first version of it. If you're happy with it, you can download it and you can use it on Amazon KDP. So one last thing I want to mention, if you're looking for, once you're happy with that cover, you get the cover back and you need a paperback formatted cover. The next thing you want to do is go to paperback cover on Fiverr. Let's search that up. And there's gonna be a bunch of gigs down here. There is one guy that I like using quite often. I don't know if I see him yet. Doesn't really matter, to be honest with you. These all do the same thing, but you don't want to pay more than like $10 to $15 for the paperback version. It's basically just going to take, this is a good picture here, a good depiction of what's going to happen. They're going to take the ebook one that you have right here and convert it to a paperback cover, which has the front cover on the right here, the spine in the middle, and then your book description or whatever kind of words you want on the back. You could have an author bio, something like that. So when you order this, the designer is going to need your ebook cover. They're going to need what you want on the spine. They're going to need how many pages your book is, the type of paper you're using, whether it's white or cream. And they're also going to need something for you to put on the back, whether it's going to be an author bio, a book description of some sort, maybe some testimonials, some reviews, something like that. You give them that information, they'll create this cover for you. And there you go. You have an ebook cover and a paperback cover ready to go for Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing for honestly under around $30 to $50, which is very, very affordable for a cover. And it's going to turn out high quality if you pick the right designers on Fiverr. I hope that my little tutorial here showed you how to pick the correct designers on Fiverr.com. So guys, that is pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed my tutorial about finding high quality cover designers on a budget through Fiverr.com. Before I let you go, I do want to mention I do have a 100% free Facebook community that's going to walk you through exactly how to get started with self-publishing if you're brand new to this online business model. So when you join it, you'll see pinned to the very top is my 5-step guide to getting started with self-publishing. So if you're brand new to this, you're looking to get into it, is the perfect option for you. And also, if you want to ask any questions you might have, you can ask them in the group. I'm active in there. There's other experts in there answering questions all of the time. So it is the perfect place for you to join. So if you want to join this Facebook group, it's the first link in the description down below. Anyways, guys, that's it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you subscribe, drop a like on the video, and hit the notification bell so you know when I post new videos. I try to post new videos about self-publishing, on entrepreneurship, and just lifestyle in general every single week. So if that works for you, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.